Fresh Mediterranean Chickpea Salad Recipe. Mediterranean chickpea salad is a simple healthy salad full of Mediterranean flavors, and it is super easy to customize to your own personal taste preferences. You can leave out or add in any ingredients to mix things up and make this recipe your own. To make this recipe you'll need 30 ounces of canned chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. Give them a quick rinse, and pour them all into a large mixing bowl. Now cut up all of your vegetables. You'll need 1 English cucumber, as they have a thinner skin, or 2 regular cucumbers. If you're using regular cucumbers, do not peel them completely so that you can see some strips on sliced cucumbers. Dice a cucumber after slicing it in half lengthwise to chop them into little bite-sized pieces. Add them in your chickpeas. Add these into your mixing bowl as well. Now dice up a bell pepper, using green, but you can use any color for this salad. Cut them in a smaller size to add a little bit of crunch to the salad. Using yellow or an orange bell pepper will add the mix-up of color in the salad. Use 1 small red onion or half of a larger one. Red onions are best for serving raw in a salad. Slice these very thinly or dice them up. Next ingredient is our fresh herbs. You can use a combination of fresh mint and fresh basil, to substitute in fresh parsley. Mince up the mint and basil leaves and pull out any stems. You'll need 2 tablespoons of each. Fresh mint and parsley will bring fresh, cool flavors to this salad. Now add in half a cup of sliced Kalamata olives, and half a cup of crumbled feta. Now prepare the dressing. Slice lemons in half and add freshly squeezed lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons, into a little mixing bowl to make the dressing. Add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Use 3 tablespoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of white or red wine vinegar. Lastly add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and whisk all this together. Drizzle this dressing over the salad and toss this all together. This salad will stay good in the fridge for several days. So you can make a big batch of this at the start of the week and enjoy it for meals the rest of the week. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos.